Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial we'll be making a social media design. So firstly we delete this text, we don't need it. Then I'm going to try to design something like a chocolate advert. So I'm going to change the color of this background to brown. I'm going to be using a gradient brown. To change the color, you have to select this paint bucket. Select the paint bucket. Then once you're done, we try to select the brown color. Try to select a brown color. As you can see, your color changes around this side. The color changes from the side, from the left hand side. You can see. So I'm trying to find a perfect brown. I think this brown is okay. Yes. Once you're done with the selection of the color, choose OK. Then we choose the other slider, the other slide. Then press. Oh, sorry. Press back, go back there. Choose the paint bucket after selecting that slider. So we still want to choose kind of brownish color. So I'm trying to find that code. Okay, I think I could get something darker, like that. And that's it. As you can see, there's no much difference in the color. That's just what I want. So I change it to the vertical, horizontal, the vertical gradient. I'm gonna put the lights over here. Just swipe that like that and click OK once you're done. As you can see, that is done. And click OK, the check mark. So once you're done with that, now I'm going to create a shape on top of it. I'll create a square. Try and adjust it. So that I'm going to give this a radius of about 20. Yeah, a radius of 20. Okay, so this is a radius of 20. Click OK. Then I go to texture. I put a color. No, sorry. Back to edit. I'm going to give this a fill color, a gradient color like this, the same gradient as that. Now I click the check mark. Then I copy this. Once I copy this, all I'm going to do here, I want to create a shadow for the one beneath it. I'm going to reduce the opacity to 0 entirely. You have to take out the opacity. You have to take down the opacity to the least. That's 0. Click on check mark. Then you scroll down to shadows. Then you enable shadow. As you can see, now we only have the shadow. Then I increase the blur radius, but I would like to change the opacity. I like to change the opacity of this. You can go here and just slide it from here to here. You can see it changes the opacity. Then once you're done with that, click the check mark and send this image to back. Send it to the back. As you can see, it gives the shadow effect. Then now we try to center everything up. First I click this top square that I have here, then I position it to center. I align it to the center of the page. Then the next, I choose from the layers panel, which is this stacked paper. I select the bottom layer, which is the shadow, and I also center it, align it to the center. As you can see, that looks great. Now I'm going to try to give this top layer. As you can see, the top layer is selected. I'm trying to put a beverage, like a beverage image, into this part. So all I just have to do is go to texture, then you select the image icon. Once you select the image icon, it opens up your file. Then you select the beverage image, which I'm going to leave in the description below for you guys to try it out. So I'm going to go to where I have that image. So if I turn around, so I have it in my album, other albums, downloads. This is that image. Then I select that image, then I click OK. So as you can see, it's already inside. Then I scale it up. So that it just, that slight, I scale it up to 130. Once I scaled it up to 130, I'm okay with it. I could go back if I want to reduce the size. That's a lovely pad. So I scale it down to 130. Then hit the check mark. Now we have to lock this icon because we don't want to make it move. We have to lock down these shapes. If you want to lock down any shape, you just go to this layers panel, which is the layers icon, which is the stacked paper. Click on that lock, padlock. That lock, you see, once it's locked, it's gonna be pink, and once it's unlocked, it's gonna be grayish. So that's done. Now we want to add text to this image. I feel like this beverage is still a little bit too big, so I'm gonna try to reduce it a little. So I'm gonna try to make it shift to the other side. So I select the top layer, then I go to my texture, scale like this, 145. Let me see if I can reduce it to about 145. Seems good, like that. Then I go to text, where we input our text. Here I edit, click on the pencil icon, then type in your text. Let's say born brown, click on done and click OK. I'm going to change the font. Go to the font panel here. That's the font. I have my font. You guys should probably have Montserrat font, but if you don't have, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. So I'm going to be using Montserrat black. Click on OK. As you can see, that is it. How nice it is. But I'm going to increase the text size to about 50. That's 50, and it looks nice. Now I'm going to write another text: born brown, taste brown. And I'm going to edit, taste brown, and click done. Click on OK. Font. I'm also going to be using I'm still going to use the Montserrat black, Bone brown, taste brown. As you can see, I'm going to give it a little bit of space. Now I want this to align well, so I'm going to bring in my grid, then I adjust. You see what I did? I click that grid icon, then I click this icon with the wheel, engineer's wheel, so to say. Then I move this by holding on it, and I want it to align with the B. As you can see, it's on the B. The line is on the B, like that. Then I click on it again, and it goes. So for me to move this taste brown, I go to the position and I move it one step. I reduce the move it by 1 pixel, and that's it. So now, as you can see, it's well aligned. Bone brown, taste brown, but you can see I made the taste brown a little bit smaller. I left the font the way it is. I wanted the bone brown to stand out, so I'm just going to write a bit of text here. I click on add text, then I edit to just write taste the new and improved Milo beverage. You should try. You should try it. Full stop. Okay. Then I change the text size for it to fill this space. Okay. It's on 22 and I think it's okay. Then I change the font. I go into the fonts panel. I'm going to be leaving the link to this font. I'm going to be leaving the link to this font in the description below. So I'm going to be using semi-bold. Click OK. That's nice. Nice, simple, very simple flyer. So I bring the grid again so I can align this. Okay, that's aligned, and here we are with a very simple, very simple flyer. And if you want to write your name like art design, your tag, like now I'm Young J Graphics, so I just edit, I just put it here, I just put Young, oh no, I don't like using I'll just be like Young J Graphics, Young J Graphics. Click on done, click on OK, and I'm going to put it right here. Then I change the font to a very thin font. I'm still using the Montserrat family. The Montserrat is a good font, so I'm going to be using Montserrat Light. I click on OK. I'm going to reduce the text size by scrolling to the text size. Where's the text size? Here's the text size. Then I reduce the size about 25. That's good. Then I position center aligned. You can see center aligned. I click OK. I slightly move it down gently. Slightly move it down. That is good. So guys, I hope you can design this as well. Try to practice it. You start with little designs before you go into technical ones. As we progress in this channel, I will teach you how to design technical posters, social media posts, and other stuff like a film poster, a movie poster, something like that. So I hope you like this video. Please do leave a like, comment, subscribe. It does help me grow. I hope you guys can make me reach my first 1,000 subscribers. So love you guys. Peace. Oh guys, I forgot to save. So for you to save, you have to click this save button. No, you click on this three I guess it's called hamburger icon, those three dots, and you go to export image. From my research, using PNG and using this ultra high isn't the best format to bring out good quality of your image. So what I'm just going to do is change this ultra to custom, and I'm going to be using 5,000 by 5,000. The quality of your image will be better off with this. Then click on save to gallery. As you can see, it's rendering image. Because it's good quality, that's why it's taking time to save the image. As you can see, it's saving. So guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you could get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. Peace out.